Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of JP Builds. In this episode I will be installing safety belts. We'll be removing the old, other known as inertia ones. I will be installing I'll show you guys the gear lever mechanism. Used to be down there, we will be shifting it to down there. This hole, I've already opened up this hole. We will putting the gear shifter in there. It's actually this module over here. When I installed the engine, I found that the holes were stripped, so I will be repairing that. It will stay with me and you'll see that. I'll be converting the drum brakes, front drum brakes, to disc brakes. I'll be painting them first and then we'll be fitting them. So yep, let's crack on. And new wheels, that'll be exciting. And a steering wheel, a new steering wheel. Exciting stuff. Let's get to it. Let me show you guys what I mean. The holes, if you can see this one's over here, they're good, but look at this one's over here. It's all stripped up. This just goes in like that, so that's no use. Oh, this one's fine like that. That goes in well. Put in your bolts. So the next order would be to drill that out. Drill that, then tap it, and then we'll put in an insert, a thread repair insert. Just a quick update. I was going to fit this rotors, but then I found that there might be something missing. I'll have to do some bit of research, but as you can see, that's what the hub looks like, and this is what the rotor looks like, and I don't know how that's gonna fit on that, either like that, or that needs to fit in there, or that needs to be bolted on with a different hub, which I'm pretty sure it needs a different hub. I'll have to find out, but for now I will continue with installing the calipers and the plates, and then I'll just have to find out what's going to happen with those. Quick update, guys. When I went to install the front calipers, I discovered that this is actually my first time working on a Mini, so I thought it would be a straight bolt-on, but it turns out not to be a straight bolt-on. The caliper needs to fit like that, and there's something not quite well here. Then after a bit of research, I discovered that we need a few bits, and we got them. This is what we have. So we'll need to replace the hub that bolts onto the rotor, and of course the caliper. Then this needs to be changed in order to fit the caliper on that. So we got that all done. Also the CV joints differs as well, so it's the CV joints that differs, the hub that differs, and then this hub carrier that differs. Luckily all of them quite relatively easy to obtain, so let's put them on. Quick update, that's all done. Front brake pads installed, disc conversion installed. That's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Join me next time. I will be installing the twin carburetors in this car, and then I will install a blank off cap in this little hole down there. Let me see, focus. Yeah, right there. I'll need to fit a blank off cap in that little hole there, which I need to get, and installing the rest of the interior. I'm waiting for that to get back. Once that's back, we will continue. Thanks for watching. See you next time.